YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. If you did not see the final episode of the Dawson times Jeffree Star mini-series, you guys need to check that out because your girl made a little mini camo. Oh my god, I was so excited when I seen it. I didn't watch it when they uploaded it Friday night. I wasn't feeling well, and so I went to sleep early, and I woke up to all these messages on YouTube and Instagram like, girl, you was in there, and I'm like, what? So you know, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm like, I need to watch this. So I watch it, and sure enough, your girl makes a little camo. So if you have not seen it, check it out. And thank you again to Shane, Dawson, Andrew, and Jeffree Star for thinking of a little old channel like me. Like, oh my gosh, I would never have thought they would ever have seen my video. But yes, so I'm very, very excited about that, and I had to get that out for you guys. But yes, I'm excited to be doing this video today because it is another look highly requested from my subscribers. Another look using the Mini Controversy palette. So if you want to see how I created this look that I have today, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Morphe eyeshadow primer in translucent. And I'm just going to take a beauty blender or a sponge and just put that out all over my eye. Kind of got it everywhere, so I had to do a little cleanup, but that is okay. Alright, so now we're going to be getting into the Mini Controversy palette, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to go into the shade Diet Root Beer. And I'm going to put that all in my crease as a transition shade. Yep, just buff that in there. Look how pretty this color is. It's just like, it just matches my skin tone perfectly. Alright, so now I'm going into Controversy, which is this nice purple shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease because I want to deepen it out. And make it really nice and pretty and just buff it out. You want to get in that corner so you can get that V really nice. And just buff. Get it nice and buffed out. Alright, so now getting a flatter brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Exposed, which is this light lavender shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. It's a nice pretty purple look for today. I'm not going to cut crease. I kind of don't want it to be too poppy, but just, you know, just enough, just nice and subtle. Just pack that color on there. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into Controversy, and I'm just going to hit the outer corners and, you know, blend that crease out and make sure it all connects and looks blended. That is the key. Alright, so now I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in C16 to highlight my face. This is my favorite concealer. Just blends out nice, and it's really beautiful. Doesn't really cake. Very, very nice concealer. I love it. so now that's all blended out. I'm going to be going into my Magic Star setting powder, and this is in Banana, to set those areas that I highlighted. I do not really bake, I just set, and it smells so good. It smells like cotton candy, you guys. So now I'm going to go back into the palette, into Controversy, and I'm going to smoke out my lash line at the bottom just to tie the look together. I like to always do this after I set and conceal my under eyes. I already lined my eyes with the Hank & Henry liner and put on my lashes. So now I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm using the Morphe bronzer in Romance, just to add some color and warmth back into the face. Now I'm just going to line my lips using the KKW Nude number 2 pencil. Then I'm using my ColourPop Times Shayla and Speed Up. It's a really pretty pink shade. Just put that on and then blot until your life depends on it. Then I'm just going to hit it again with some more liner and get this look tied together. One more thing, gotta put mascara on, and I'm using the Wonder Beauty Mile High Mascara. I'm gonna put that on my bottom lashes and blend my top lashes with the falsies. Now we're done. Just need to set the face, and I'm using my Morphe times Jeffree Star Setting Spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. Super, super cute. I'm loving the mini Controversy palette, and I cannot wait till they restock and I can purchase the Conspiracy palette. I tried to get it when they were selling, what, 50,000 units of each, the mini and the Controversy. But then again, I was not able to get that as well. So, oh well, I'll just have to wait till March. But yes, super excited. Super cute. Hope you guys like this video. That's all I have for this video. I hope that you found this very, very easy. And this palette is very, very cute and very versatile. Has very, very nice colors to use in here. Very nice palette. Very pretty, pretty colors. And I can't wait until the green shade comes out. I think they should call it Money Green, because the little green shimmers in there remind me just like, you know, of just glitz and glam and just, I don't know. When I see it, I see Money Green. So, hey, I think that would be a nice name for it, but we'll see what they name the shade. But yes, this is today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.